You cannot see the spiritual things with the natural eye. Neither can you use the natural eye to discern the spiritual things. Hey, how are you doing? Let's go to 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 14. King James Version. But the natural man receiveth not the things of the Spirit of God, for they are foolishness unto him. Neither can he know them, because they are spiritually discerned. Woo! Spiritual discernment is needed. You got to spend time with God, intimacy. You got to build your relationship. And how you build intimacy with God, spend time. Prayer. What does discernment mean? It means to examine. You got to know the spirit that is operating by people, because we're in last days and many false prophets are out here. But you got to be intentional about getting to know God, spending time with him. He will reveal secret things to you. He will tell you what to do. The spiritual realm is very important. You are not just living in a physical world, but also a spiritual world. I pray that your spiritual eyes be open today. I pray that you'll be blessed today. I pray that the Lord will heal you, whatever prayer requests or desires you have, that he will have his way with you today. Be safe. See you in morning glory. God bless you. Bye-bye.